Let me give y'all a quick little rundown between the 1SS and the 2SS Camaro. I have a 2016 2SS Camaro. If you got a real 2SS Camaro, you got air conditioner seats, heated seats, you got extra little shit going on, you got lights, you know what I'm saying? You got your lights that you can change them to different colors or whatever. Show you how to work that. Hit light strip color. You got your different colors to choose from. Boom. There you go. You can change the red, change the blue, purple. Change that up. The real SS life, man. 2SS, let's go.